Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Vivek Shivare, Director, Admissions, Outreach and Communications at SAR University to address the gathering on the admissions process and scholarship options available to the students. Mr. Vivek Shivare has around 18 years of extensive experience in the higher education industry with expertise in university establishment, strategy planning and management, student recruitment, outreach, marketing, client relationship management. He has done his PhD in management on consumer-based brand equity of private university in India. He's also done executive certificate programs in digital marketing and social media strategy from IIM Raipur in 2020. Dr. Vivek, the floor is yours.
Really indeed pleasure to host Chennai Open House. I have two things. One, I wanted to share the admission process. You have already interacted with our team members. So before starting the admission process, I would like to share why Sai University is the ideal choice for the student. So first of all, while choosing any universities, though we know that we are the new age private university and we are just 3 years old, diversity play a very much important role. So I would like to share, we have students, we have attractions from across country. We have a student from across country in India, and diversity built all the programs batch after batch. We have a linguistic diversity, we have gender diversity. All the diversity will bring the rich peer groups. Eventually, the learning is only 60% inside the classroom. When we were a student, we feel like learning will be inside the classroom, but now time has changed. So learning is outside the classroom through the ecosystems, peers ecosystems, which we have in Sai University. So that is the very unique model which I have seen and which will be very helpful for the students. Second is distinguished faculty. You have already heard from our leadership team. We have very good distinguished faculty, but I would say, rather than distinguished, we have very good passionate professors, passionate academic team. They are here not to teach the student, they are here to build the world, build the nations. How it is possible? Because of the students. So that is the very unique model in Sai University. Interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary is one area where you have choose the programs as per your choice. So that is the beauty of Sai University. Diverse curriculums and foundation course, which is already covered by the Professor Cody. I wanted to tell here we have teach in the foundation course, global challenges, critical thinking, problem solving skills, sustainability, communication skills, frontier programs. That is very unique curriculums which you will not get in anywhere in India. And these curriculums I share to every students and parents. For any subject knowledge, for any course, maybe 20%, 30% will play a very much important role. But what else will play? Your critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, that every company wants. So which is the unique curriculums in Sai University. Another part is the continuation assessment, like which is already Professor Gopi he has covered. We have a daily basis, we have continuation assessment is there. So our classroom program is not like a traditional classroom where the teacher will come and take the classes, but the classroom is where the student will form a group and take the lectures, discussions will start, and teachers will rectify and teacher will add if something is missed in the classroom, and then actual class will start. And continuation assessment play a very much important role. We have assignment-based learning, we have case studies, we have project, we have different type of internship trainings are there. In that, we assess the student for the final exam. Internship is also a part of curriculum in Sai University. So that is also the very uniqueness things which will attract to the student and parents. And choice-based credit systems, you can form a degree as your interest. So there is no any set of foundations where you have to get a fixed curriculums and fixed classes, fixed subject. Here is the choice is up to you. So that is the very basic important part of Sai University. My second point is admission process. So we being a new age international university, our admission process reflects our unique model of educations. It is holistic and multidimensional, taking into account. We have a diversity in our students, and that our admission process, we are not consider only the academic achievements, but also the extracurricular and co-curricular achievements. This means we follow the holistic approach of recruiting a student in Sai University. The prerequisite into the Sai universities, candidate meet the eligibility criteria, can fill the online applications in our website, and the applicant has to pay the non-refundable fees of 500 rupees. And the first criteria, once the applications comes to us, we have applications evaluations process. In the applications evaluations process, we scrutinize the applications, we check how the student fill the applications, and I would like to share our application is very unique applications, which you will not get in any other university. So our application process is very strengthened, and we check, and after the first process, it will go to the second step, which is the Sai University Common Admission Test, which is already covered by our Honorable Chancellor. We have a common admission test, which we have introduced in 2024, this year admission sessions. That is the optional test. If some student, they have given the national level entrance exam or state level entrance exam, the test will be the exam for them. And the next process is for the interactions. So Sai University interactions are the academic team or are the senior leadership team will talk about the student interest, their critical thinking, their other things. And based on that, we consider the interactions parameters. The selection process, the admissions and scholarship decision is taken by the admission subcommittee meeting is there. The committee has decided the final confirmations. And after that, we have a next process is offer letter. Admission offer letter will be issued to you. And last process is the registration fees. Once you will accept the offer letter, you have to pay the 50,000 rupees online fees. So that is all about the admission process. Next point is what we are looking in the student. That is the very important point. As a universities, like I told you, we are the new age universities. Our admission process is very unique. So what we look, I would like to share, while applications, we have different parameters, we have interactions, and we, while talking to the student, we check their interest. Interest is very much important for the student. Then talent, critical thinking skills, communication skills, leadership skills, creativity, aspirations. We believe on extracurricular and co-curricular achievement. If somebody is having, they want to share their extracurriculars, they can share. That also we consider. And most important is the learning attitude for the throughout the life. We want the student should be who is having learning attitude and ready to accept challenges. These criteria we check while recruiting the student. Now come to the fees part. Our three schools are there we have. One is Schools of Arts and Science, School of Computing and Data Science, and School of Law. All undergraduate programs fees is 4 lakh rupees per annum. And postgraduate program, we have School of Law, 3 PG programs are there, where fees is 1.5 lakh rupees per annum. We have residential facilities. So 1.8 lakh rupees residential and food is the fees. And we have a transport for the day scholars, 50,000 per annum for the transport fees. Come to the scholarship and loan. This is very interesting thing. We encourage the student for the different type of scholarship. So we have 4 types of scholarship. One is district topper scholarship, where we give up to 100% scholarship for the top 3 rank holder in district across India. Second is young scholarship, 50% scholarship we are offering. Third is merit scholarship, 25% scholarship we are offering. And we encourage the student for the extracurricular achievements. So national and international, we have 50% scholarship, and state level, we have 25% scholarship. So this is all about the scholarship. Financial assistance, need-based scholarship is also there. So the candidate who deserve for that, we have financial assistance also. And happy to share you, we have a few foundations from where we have students are studying, like SD Foundation is there, Matram Foundation is there. So some foundations also, they approach us and we accept their proposals. And the scholarship is very much important, one point. The scholarship is based on the rolling basis, and candidates who apply early have a higher probability to get the scholarship. So first come, first serve is there in the scholarship. And the scholarship is applicable only for in the tuition fees. So your transport fees and residence fees, there is no any scholarship. Like we have already few students, they have already met me and my team members. So here I would like to inform that our induction date for 2024 is 22nd of August, Thursday. It will be in the campus. So I would like to invite, we are delighted to have such a part of Sai University student community. We are committed to provide you a rewarding and enriching learning experience with an opportunity to realize your future potentials. So me and my team is here, who can, after the lunch, we have a one-to-one in discussion round. I would request the parents and the student can come and meet us, and distinguished faculty and leadership team will be there, so that things will be arranged after the lunch. So that's all from my side, and I would like to again thanks to all the parents, all the students, educators, and few schools, students also participated, few schools, principals, teachers are also participated. So thank you so much for coming on Saturday and giving your spare time with us. Thank you so much.